Natalie. Alice. Detective, come in. Come in. Mr. Windsor. We got them back. I know. It's incredible. I am so grateful to you all. Hello, I'm Pete. I saved these two at the last minute, just when the thief was about to shoot. Really? I can't believe it. Come in, Pete, tell me everything. I want to hear every last detail.
Natalie, Alice and Pete have done an amazing job. We are very satisfied with their efforts, and now the drawings are back in their rightful home.
But this isn't their home.
What?
No, this isn't their home anymore. I've decided to donate my entire collection to the National Gallery. You are going to donate your entire collection? But you love your collection more than anything else in the world. Exactly. I love the collection so much that I think the best thing is for it to be in a place where it will be taken care of as best as possible. At the National Gallery, it won't only be looked after properly, it will have top security. Evidently, this is something that I can no longer guarantee for my collection. Moreover, I've had a serious talk with Mariana.
That's right. Dad and I have talked and we decided that we both spend too much time thinking about our collections. We should spend more time together, so that's why we have decided to donate them. You're also donating your collection, Mariana. Yes. I'm just going to keep a few comics to read from time to time, but I'll take the oldest ones to the Cartoon Museum, where they have a huge collection of comics.
I think that's very selfless of you.
After everything that's happened, we think it's for the best. Now, I know they will refuse, but I want to say something. I had offered a reward of £1,000 to whoever helped me get the artwork back, but I think it's not enough. Given the value of the works and everything you have done, I think that each person deserves £5,000 each. Including Pete, our last-minute hero. We couldn't possibly accept that.
We don't want any reward, Mr. Windsor.
I, personally, am happy to accept. I'll finally be able to buy my son a new bike. And maybe one day I will be able to get my own cab. You can give our part to Pete, Mr. Windsor. He did save our lives after all. And his son will be so grateful. Okay, that seems like a good idea. But at least let me give you something else.
It isn't money?
No, it's not money. It's a surprise. I will give it to you in a week's time, at the National Gallery.